Mirror image of a point about x-axis and y-axis. We can discuss. See, let us take one point. See, that point is 3, 4. Okay. First you have to find the mirror image of this point A with respect to y-axis. Okay. So y-axis line, its right side is the point 34, A34. Then its image will be on the left side of the y-axis. So left side, see here 3 points distance. Right side it is 3 units. Right side of 4. So its image will be left side 3 units. 3 units left side. So this is the mirror image of point A34 about y-axis. So its value point coordinates is -3, 4. Okay. Same way, the mirror image of A about x-axis or with respect to x-axis means, see, x-axis above this point. So mirror image will be below the x-axis. See, it is 4 units above x-axis at 3. So the mirror image will be 4 units below x-axis. So it is here. So this is the mirror image of A with respect to x-axis. That is 3, -4. Here we taken a point in the first quadrant. Okay. So the mirror image of a point in the x quadrant about y-axis is a point in second quadrant. Let it be B. And mirror image of this point A quadrant about x-axis means it is in the fourth quadrant. C. So what are the mirror images of A? B about y-axis and C about x-axis. Okay. Now let us consider a point on second quadrant. We can take the point -4, 4. Then its mirror image about x-axis is below the x-axis. See here 4 units above. So mirror image will be 4 units below. So here this is the mirror image of the point A -4, 4. That is -4, -4 about x-axis. Now about y-axis means it is here. Here. That is 4, 4. Clear? Same way if you consider a point in third quadrant. Let us take the point -5, -2. -5, -2. Then its mirror image about x-axis means it is above x-axis, it is here. B -5, 2. Now about y-axis means it is here. 5, -2. Okay. Now if you consider a point in the fourth quadrant, see, let us take the point 4, -3. It's a mirror image. About x-axis will be in the, see, x-axis. See here 3 units, so from here also 3 units. So here, that is the point C4, 3. Now about y-axis means you have to move along this horizontal distance. How much? 4 units from the y-axis here. Reach here. This point. That is -4, -3. In this way we can find the mirror image of a points in each quadrant about x-axis and about y-axis. Now we have to do one activity. That is, we have to draw a closed figure, that is polygon, maybe quadrilateral, pentagon, or any polygon. So here I am showing triangle. In the first quadrant, I have taken 3 points. Okay, what are the coordinates? See, this point A, 3, 2. So this point 8, 3. Here, see, 6, 5. Okay, after that you have to join neatly with a scale and a pencil. Okay, now you have to draw the mirror image of the figure about x-axis and about y-axis. So you have to find the mirror image of each point A, B, C about x-axis and about y-axis and join it. So first we can draw the mirror image of point A32 about y-axis. So it is here. Here. This point. That is -3, 2. That is A. Or we can take it as A1. Next, mirror image of B. So here 8, 3. So this will be -8. It's here. -8, 3. You have to take the correct point. This point. Okay, let it be B dash or B1. See here, B1, -8, 3. Next, C, 6, 5. So it will be -6, 5. Here, -6, 5. Let it be C1. Now join that. You have to draw neatly. See, this is the mirror image of the triangle ABC. That is A1, B1, C1 about x-axis. sorry, y-axis, about y-axis. Now we have to draw the triangle about x-axis. So A32 point will be just below x-axis, it is here. ഈ വെർട്ടിക്കൽ ലൈനിലൂടെ പോവാം അങ്ങോട്ട് താഴത്തേക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദാറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 3 -2. വി ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ആസ് A2. നെക്സ്റ്റ് C means 6 5, then it will be 6 -5. It is here 6 -5, that is B2. Next sorry, that is C2. C2. Next, mirror image of B about x-axis. 8 3 will be 8 -3 here. That is B2. Okay, now we have to join it. Okay, now which are the mirror image of the triangle ABC? In second quadrant it is A1 B1 C1 about y-axis. Now about x-axis means it is A2 B2 C2. About x-axis means. Okay, in this way you have to do the activity. You have to select either a quadrilateral or a pentagon, any of the two. Don't take triangles, the same. You take either quadrilateral or pentagon. That means in order to get quadrilateral means you need 4 points. Clear? See, don't take a rectangle or square. Any other points you have to, any other type of quadrilateral you have to take. Okay, clear?